Alright guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today, we are gonna be looking at these cubes. They're not solved because I already looked at them because I forgot to make a video, I wanted to, but we have this box filled of cubes, so 9 different cubes. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy. Let's get started right now. Okay. Okay, this is a mirror cube, but I already messed it up. Sorry, guys. But this is my mirror cube. Here's a pyramix. We have a pyramix here, and we have a 2x2 and a megamix. We have a mega mixer, and a 3x3, and this, and we have this. And we have a 4x4. And we have a mini cube. Look at it. I love this one. This is my favorite. And also, I'm probably lost for a second. Right. These kind of cubes. You can take it off and stuff. And a book. Shows you all the cubes. Right. Here's the box. Like, if you want to get one of your own. If you want to get some of these in your own. Right. It was fun for those guys, so hope you guys enjoyed all these cubes unboxing. Look at all these cubes. Hope you guys enjoyed, and